What is up? Happy Sunday. Break number 865. This is 2017-2018 Panini NBA Hoops Basketball. 192 cards. I'm getting right to it to get all these out into a stack so we can see them. What's going on, Shane? How are you? All about the 76ers and the Suns, huh? You know, if you pull any Josh Jackson base rookies, and if you don't collect them, I'm a buyer. I'll be trying to get my hands on as many rookies as I can for a reasonable price. What's up, Scott? How's it going? The first box we did pulled in a Jeff Withy autograph. I quickly made an offer on that one. KU fan, KU collector. Josh Jackson and Jeff Withy, both former Jayhawks. What's going on, Lewis? If you guys are interested in baseball, there's a break of 2017 National Treasures open. It's been a little slow to fill. I guess it's not everybody's type of product. It does have really cool cards. It's a high risk, high reward type box. What's going on, Anthony? That's cool, Shane. No pressure. Anytime I offer somebody something for a card, there's no pressure. I just figure if you're gonna wait for me to ship it and then go sell it, I'll pay you probably more than what you could sell it for on a card like that. So I throw out the offer. He could be pretty good, Josh Jackson. Division break for baseball. What are there, 6 divisions? So you'd be looking at oh man, I can't even think right now. It's something like 80, maybe high 80s dollars per spot. I guess that might not be too bad. You got a good chance at one card and chance at multiple cards. You just do a hit draft. Well, I don't know if I'm going to get any more of those in. If something doesn't sell, I try not to rebuy it. We had a I think National Treasures basketball. Yeah, the National Treasure. We already got too many spots gone there to change it this time. Flawless Football. We tried to break that, but it was too much. So it'll be a long time before I go after those kind of products. Last year's National Treasures was pretty hot for baseball, but it was also almost $200 cheaper, maybe $150. November 21st is your birthday, huh? What's coming out November 21st? I don't have it up now. Alright, getting close. Almost done. And once we get done, we can go through them all in one solid swoop. We had this our third box. First box we did, we pulled a Josh Jackson. Second box we did, we pulled a, and that's just base rookie. We haven't pulled that many. The autographs haven't really been any good. The second box we pulled Alonzo Ball. I'm curious if either one or even both will show their face this time. Absolute Football, I like. It's a fun product. Alright, good luck everybody. I'm not going to see much of the chat as quickly anyway now. Going through these. NBA Hoops. Kobe Bryant, career tribute, Lakers. Jonathan Isaac, a rookie for the Magic. T-Wolves, Jimmy Butler. Scala Bizzari, Kings. Road to the Finals, Kevin Durant, numbered out of 2017 for the Warriors. Justice Winslow, Heat. Darren Collison, Pacers. Dirk Nowitzki, Mavericks. Kyle Korver, Cavaliers. Lonzo Ball, there he is for the Lakers. Got yourself a base rookie. That dude could make basketball big, being an LA star. Ed Davis, Blazers. TJ Warren, Suns. Manu Ginobili, Spurs. DeMar DeRozan, special delivery for the Raptors. Maurice Spites, Magic. Paul Millsap, Nuggets. Nick Young, Warriors. Malik Monk, rookie for the Hornets. De'Aaron Fox, back-to-back Kentucky boys, rookie for the Kings. Paul George, Thunder. CJ Miles for the Raptors. Shaquille O'Neal, 2K18 insert for the Lakers. Juan Herman Gomez, Nuggets. Jonathan Simmons, Magic. Sean Livingston, Warriors. Tristan Thompson, Cavaliers. Clint Capella, Rockets. Dwayne Wade, Bulls. Tip-off, Timberwolves, Knicks. Going to be an actual coin flip. Kelly Oubre, Wizards. Henry Ellenson, Pistons. Giorgio Papagiannis, Kings. Kay Fielder with the Cavs. Jared Allen, rookie, Nets. Noah Vonleh, Blazers. First hit is Luis Montero for the Pistons. Hoops Inc. with the autograph. No numbering. Ooh, those bother me when they do that. It's showing Heat jersey, but it's a Pistons card. Pistons hit is going to Josh Acker. Boban Marjanovic, number to 99 for the Pistons. George Hill, Kings. Nicholas Batum, Hornets. Nuggets, Will Barton. Career tribute, Kobe. Nemanja Bjelica for the T-Wolves. D'Angelo Russell. Nets card. Also Nets is Allen Grab. DeMar DeRozan, backstage pass, Raptors. Cody Zeller, Hornets. Devin Harris, Mavericks. What happened to my football game? Rashawn Holmes, 76ers. Rookie, Terrence Ferguson for the Thunder. Ivica Zubac, Lakers. Juwan Evans, rookie, Clippers. Cole Aldridge, T-Wolves. Courtney Lee, Knicks. Team leaders, Clippers. DeAndre Jordan. Kent Bazemore, Hawks. Pacers. Domantas Sabonis. Dario Saric, 76ers. Dragon Bender, Suns. Chris Middleton, Bucks. Buddy Hield, Kings. Blake Griffin, insert for the Clippers. Picture perfect. DJ Augustine, Magic. Rookie Caleb Swanigan, Blazers. Markieff Morris with the Wizards. Rookie Sindarius Thornwell with the Clippers. Jordan Clarkson, Lakers. Damari Carroll, Nets. Tyus Jones, T-Wolves. Mendugas Kuzamingas, that one for the Knicks. Shaquille O'Neal, 2K18 insert. Victor Oladipo, Pacers. Saleh Mayri, Mavericks. Ivan Shumpert, Cavaliers. Jahlil Okafor, 76ers. James Harden, Rockets. Lance Thomas, Knicks. Jeremy Lin, Nets. Buddy Hield, Action Shots. That one with the Kings. Anthony Davis, Pelicans. Marc Gasol, Grizzlies. Zaza Pachulia, something like that anyway. Warriors, J.R. Smith, Cavaliers. Kobe Career Tribute. Patrick Beverly, Clippers. Spurs, DeJounte Murray. Tony Parker, number 2017 for the Spurs. Tobias Harris, Pistons. Tyreek Evans, Grizzlies. Kevin Love, Cavaliers. TJ Leaf, rookie, Pacers. Robert Covington, 76ers. Chris Dunn, Bulls. And Al-Farouq Aminu with the Blazers. Shaq, 2K18 insert, Magic. Etwan Moore with the Pelicans. Zach Randolph, Kings. Frank Talinica, Knicks, rookie. Timothy Luwawu Cabarro, 76ers. Demetrius Jackson, Rockets. Maurice Harkless, Blazers. John Collins, up. We got next. That insert for the Hawks. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, Hornets. Check Diallo. Pelicans, Vince Carter, Kings. Josh Hart, rookie, Lakers. Giannis Antetokounmpo for the Bucks. Lauri Markkanen, Bulls. Kyle Lowry, Raptors. John Henson, Bucks. Team leaders, Nuggets. Nikola Jokic. Kelly Olynyk, Heat. Jeremy Lamb, Hornets. These are tough. Don't know the pronunciation on some. A lot of cards. Zach Collins, rookie, Blazers. Nick Stauskas, 76ers. Denzel Valentine, Bulls. Damian Lillard, Trailblazers. Yogi Ferrell, Mavericks. Torian Prince, Hawks. Drew Holiday, Pelicans. Mike Conley, Grizzlies. Kobe Bryant, career tribute. Wesley Iwundu, rookie, Magic. Stephen Curry, Warriors. Blake Griffin, Clippers. Allen Williams, Suns. And Joel Embiid, courtside, 76ers. Seth Curry with the Mavericks. Aaron Afalo, Magic. Contavious Caldwell-Pope, Lakers. Isaiah Thomas, Cavaliers. Sean Kilpatrick, Nets. Jamal Crawford, Timberwolves. And Tim Hardaway, Knicks. Giannis Antetokounmpo for the Bucks. Highlights insert, Jose Richardson, Heat. Pacers, Lance Stevenson. Rookie, Tony Bradley, Jazz. John Wall, Wizards. Paul Gasol with the Spurs. Patrick Patterson, Thunder. Brandon Ingram, Lakers. This one numbered to 199. Trey Lyles, Nuggets. Rudy Gobert, Jazz. Otto Porter, Wizards. Dwayne Bacon, rookie, Hornets. Justin Jackson, rookie for the Kings. DeMar DeRozan, Raptors. Lou Williams, Clippers. Jerian Grant, Bulls. Shaquille O'Neal, Heat. 2K18. Marvin Williams, Hornets. Dennis Schroeder, Hawks. Semi Ojeleye, rookie with the Celtics. Harry Giles, rookie Kings. Al Horford, Celtics. Rockets, Trevor Ariza. Tyson Chandler, Suns. Legends of the Ball. Allen Iverson, Sixers. Kimball Walker, Hornets. Gary Harris, Nuggets. Kobe, career tribute, Lakers. Frank Jackson with the Pelican. Yep. Rookie card. Thomas Satoransky, Wizards. Jacob Podol, Raptors. Right? Yeah. Danny Green, Spurs. Aaron Gordon, Magic. Wayne Selden Jr. I guess they didn't make the card the year before. That's why it says rookie. Frank Kaminsky, Hornets. Ben Simmons, 76ers. Patrick McCaw with the Warriors. Thon Maker, Bucks. And that one's a pretty decent one there. Malik Monk, hot signatures autograph rookie for the Hornets. Hornets hit going to Jason Deal. Jason just had a Kentucky collector that's going to be looking for this card. Drawing a blank on his name right now. I feel like it's Kevin. I don't know, I tagged him right off the bat on this braid. I tagged him. So Isaiah Thomas, courtside, Celtics. He'd be really excited to hear about that one. Magic, Terrence Ross. James Johnson, Heat. Stanley Johnson, Pistons. Kyle Kuzma, rookie, Lakers. Kyrie Irving, Celtics. Willie Hernandez, Knicks. Ryan Anderson, Rockets. Phoenix Suns, Tyler Ulis. Trevor Ariza out of 999. That one for the Rockets will be a... No, it's... Never mind. Wilson Chandler, Nuggets. Bismack Biyombo, Magic. Jason Tatum, rookie for the Celtics. Davin Reed, Suns, rookie. Isaiah Whitehead, Nets. Georgie Aldang, T-Wolves. There it is, Kevin Bowles. In my head, I had Kevin B in my head, and I couldn't think of your last name. Suns, Pelicans. Jason Deal hit that. D-E-A-L. That's going to be a coin flip. Yeah, the Kobe career tribute makes a lot of Kobe's come out. Rodney Stuckey, Pacers. Nerlens Noel, Mavericks. Dwight Howard, Hornets. In this break, with Lonzo Ball and all the Kobe's, if you hit the Lakers, you kind of hit the jackpot. But good quantities spread around. Get those sleeved. We'll get this stack top loaded. Includes all rookies and numbered cards and inserts. We have 2 coin flips. T-Wolves are heads. Knicks are tails. This one is tails. That will go to the Knicks. Minnesota, New York Knicks goes to the Knicks. And Phoenix, New Orleans. Phoenix, New Orleans is the other one. Suns are heads. Pelicans are tails. That one is heads. We'll go to the Suns. Nothing crazy, but we got to find a winner of those cards. The hits, Malik Monk, hot signatures for the Hornets. And Luis Montero, autographed Pistons card. Jason Tatum of the Celtics, huh? We'll have to remember that one. Basketball, not my expertise. All right, guys, more football coming up. I'll see you all later.